Hello everyone. Today we'll do the subject science of grade 6 and our chapter number 10 is force and types of force. So in this chart you can see the force and there are different types of forces. So first of all we will discuss with what is force. See, every day we are doing many tasks and each task need a force. We need force to change an object place or to change a place of an object and also to stop the changing of that object. So we need force to change the shape of an object also. So here force is very much important thing and force is applied to change the direction of an object. So let us start with the types of forces. So there are 6 types of force. This is combined force. This is not a type of force. So that's why we have 6 different types of force. So let us start with the first force, that is muscular force. The force applied by the muscles. The force applied by the muscles is called muscular force. Next is mechanical force. The force applied by the machines and with the help of machine and muscles or with the help of electricity or fuel or automatic machine. So this all comes under mechanical force. The force which applied by the use of machine is called mechanical force. Next is gravitational force. The force applied by the earth to pull an object towards itself is called gravitational force. Next is magnetic force. The force exerted with the magnet is called magnetic force. Next is frictional force. The force created by the two surfaces of an object in against with each other or against upon each direction is called frictional force. Next is electrostatic force. The force created by electrostatical material is called electrostatic force. Last one is combined force. Combined force means one and more types of force act together is called combined force. So these are the definition of each types of forces. Now let us discuss this all types of forces with examples. Okay.
Now look at this picture. In this picture we can see the image of muscular force. All the actions of our body are performed with the help of bones and muscles. These movements are due to muscular force, and the examples of muscular force is an ox pulling a cart, lifting a weight, etc. Next is mechanical force. We use different machines for doing many tasks. Some machines are run by using electricity or fuel. Machines like the latter are called automatic machine. For example, sewing machine, electric pump, washing machine, mixer, etc. The third one is gravitational force. If an object is thrown upward by applying force, it reaches a certain height and comes down again. For example, weighting with a spring balance, an object falling from a tall building, etc. In the past, scientist Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravitation in the 17th century. the Earth's gravitational force acts in a direction opposite to that of an object moving upwards. Hence, the speed of that object goes on decreasing till in the end it becomes zero. When the object starts falling down instead of going up any further, while falling, its speed goes on increasing all the time due to gravitational force. The next is magnetic force. All the magnetic substances will be pulled due to magnetic force. For example, lifting a heavy iron object with a crane, gadgets such as doorbell, huge cranes that lift loads. Next is frictional force. When two surfaces are rubbed against each other, the force of friction is created. This force always acts against the direction of motion. We use force of friction in our daily life. For example, the brakes applied for stopping the vehicle helps to create frictional force. Due to the force of friction, we are able to walk on the ground without slipping. On the other hand, oily or wet floor offers less frictional force and hence one can easily slip on such floors. The force of friction can be increased or decreased as per our requirements. Next is electrostatic force. Static electricity is produced on materials like rubber, plastic and ebonite due to friction. For example, small pieces of paper on a table, piece of thermocol or an inflated balloon against silk cloth, plastic comb against dry hair, peacock feather between two pages of a notebook. So these all are some examples and brief information about types of force.